you doing there then, Edward? We will not be moved. We will not be moved. Oh, 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 be careful. Careful. Can you put your feet in? Oh, that's one leg in. Very clever. I might make it a bit easier. And another leg in. Hey. He's a clever boy. Standing up all by himself. Elizabeth. She's helping, aren't you, Elizabeth? You helping Edward? Yeah. What are you doing? You're being a little monkey. Come to Mama. Come to Mama. Come on. Walk to Mama. Walk to Mama. Come on, walk to Mama. Mama help you? Hello. Walk to Mama. Sorry? You clapping hands? Clap hands and Daddy will come and bring the Lily a cake and a bun. Clap. Clap and his Daddy will come and bring the Lily a cake and a bun. Clever girl. You clapping? Clever girl. And Edward, what are you doing? Yay, Lily's clapping some more. Edward? Oh. We will not be moved. 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 So you're going to stay there all day? Is that right? Are you going to come to Mum? Mummy help you? Come on. Oh, I'm back on the bars. Why aren't you both sleeping? Is that right?